Hi, so I want to show you how to fix this. You have this potentiometer trimmers that you need this screwdriver to adjust them, like in this module. So for adjusting voltage and current, and the solution I found, it's like this. You see, now you don't need this. How I made this? You have your potentiometer on the board. You take a 2.5 square millimeter wire. This is like your normal wiring you use at home in the walls. It doesn't really matter if it's solid wire or stranded. This one is gonna be, the insulation is gonna be the same size. So you need 2.5 square millimeters. This one fits exactly these round things, knobs. So you take this, strip it from the wire so it's loose like this, then cut around 1 centimeter. Alright, so it's roughly like this. I cut a bit more, but you can adjust it afterwards. And now to show you, this one, it doesn't fit exactly, and that's a good thing, because it needs to stay here once you put it. So how you do it, you take a lighter, you just lightly hit this, not much, just a bit. And now you can you see, it just forms over the knob and it has this bulge, and once it hardens, let's see if we can look inside. You see, you can see the notch. Let me see if I can put a bit more light inside. Yeah, there. You see it is turning. So it's exactly like this. I mean, it's not like a perfect solution, but it works quite well. Now we can adjust it by hand. Okay, hope you found this useful. Like and subscribe for more.